You are watching the Northern Sweden welding channel, and today we are going to stick welds on stainless tube. The tube measures 5.5 mm times 60.3 mm. There are a couple of things that are a little bit different when welding stainless steel compared to carbon steel. Like for example, stainless doesn't have the same thermal conductivity like carbon steel. Which make this tricky because the heat tends to build up really fast. And it also got about twice as much heat extension as carbon steel, which in other words can mean that distortions can be a problem here. When welding this way, if you do it right, the weld will turn out really good, but if you do it just a little bit wrong, it will turn out really nasty and bad, because there is not very much there in between. But hey, every time you do a bad weld, you will get one step closer to do a good one. But on the other hand, every time you do a good weld, you will get one step closer to do a bad one. That's the way of being a welder. And once it's time to put the cap on, I have chosen to run a single weave instead of stringers. This is a matter of choice as long as you follow the WPS for the job. The reason why I choose to do a weave is because I think it's a little bit easier to get a flatter weld appearance with a weave than doing a stringers, and we also get to reduce the number of restarts and the amount of grinding and cleaning that needs to be done, which in the end makes the weld a little bit faster. To best describe the arc characteristics, it's kind of a buttery arc, very soft, and it's almost like if you are pouring water into the wind and the wind catches the water and the arc goes all over the place. That's how the arc of the stainless stick welding sometimes can be. And since the arc is so soft and we weld this rather cold, you don't get the same cleaning action in the puddle as you would get on carbon steel. So make sure that you grind out any places that look suspicious for slagging conclusions. If you are looking for ways to improve your welding, I of course have some advice for you. One is that you practice a lot. Keep as much time as you got under the hood and practice. And once you get it right, you keep on practice and welding. Another thing that I have noticed is that many people don't pay as much attention to the theoretical skills behind the welding, because it's once you learn how things work and how you can combine it into your welding that you can go from good to a great welder. And here we got the end result of the root pass, nice and shining after a run with some stainless cleaner. And that's about it from the Northern Sweden welding channel. If you like what you just saw, please like, share and subscribe, and perhaps we see each other in the future. And remember, in the simple lives the beauty. Have a great day.